Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to turn on sync in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Now, the moment you have bring up or you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome, and please scroll down and locate for settings, which has the gear icon. So click on it. The moment you've click on it, you can see there you and Google tabbed, and you can see there how to fix guides. So in my case, it is now being synced, but in your case, if not, it will show up here turn on. So all you need to do is you need to click on turn on, and the moment you click on that, you would be redirected to a new tab or new window where it asks you to type your Gmail account. Just type your Gmail account there, and please type your password also. And if it will ask you for the confirmation code in your phone that is being linked with this Google account. I mean, yes, Google account. All you need to do is you need to confirm it there, and you would be able to turn on the sync in your here in your Windows 11 Google Chrome browser. Okay? Once you're good, it will show up here turning on the sync. Okay? So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.